Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're going to go out for stock touring car C3 main at CTSR The Rock 2024 Championship. Third chance to get better points for a, at best, possible C2 position, because C1 I DNF'd with a dead ESC on the line. C2 I got second place. C3 you're going to get to watch right now. Let's go.
30 seconds left.
Alright, practice laps. Let's pull into on the left. I need to go right one. So I'm running a servo saver on here that doesn't recenter perfectly every time. All right, here we go. Last chance. I've not won one yet. All right, I've gone away. Orange car is fast. I think he's the one who's won 1 and 2. Oh, I went way wide there. Ooh, crash. Oh no!
All right. John, Joe, Claude et Eric.
Claude, go, go.
On est parti pour Eric.
Merci.
2 minutes 50 on the corner, 2:50 to go.
I don't know what position I'm in now. I've caused a wreck, but I tried to clean it up.
Au niveau des façades, Olivier, un 11-3, Jean-Alain Louis 11-3, Joe 11-2, Claude 11-2, Eric 11-7. En ce moment, on a des batailles pour la 2e, 3e et 4e place. Donc, John, Louis et Joe. John, Louis et Joe s'en viennent dans le straight en ce moment. John, Louis et Joe viennent de passer.
Two minutes left.
2 minutes à faire. Attention à votre gauche. C'est clear. Donc on a notre moteur, Olivier, la voiture orange et blanche. Et grise aussi, c'est vrai. Attention sur notre moteur, merci.
Thank you.
1:25 à faire, 1:25 to go.
Anda au bojo.
Pause les amis, il reste 1 minute, 1 minute to go. On fait le fast lap sur la piste. Le leader toujours aligné, voiture orange, blanche et grise.
45 seconds left.
Seconds, 30 seconds to go.
Pogledaj, Grigori. No, c'est bon. Il y a une bonne place encore.
Oh, broken, pull it up.
Outside, that's straight.
Ah, 30 seconds left, the car brakes. 30 seconds left.
Andali.
5 seconds.
Wah, wah.
On complète les tours.
All right.
On complète les tours, on traverse la ligne, c'est terminé.
All right. Good run, guys. Sorry for the straightaway.
Good job, Nico.
Thank you.
Ouais, c'est ça, mais good job.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, fun. Yeah. On the straightaway, eh? Just let go. Oh, the link popped off. Oh, it sheared the ball. Cool. Yeah. That was fun. It was fun. Horrendous crash on the straightaway. Oh. But, you know. I know, the car fell apart 30 seconds.
From last
I know. And then to finish 5th because the car broke 30 seconds from the end.
Exactly.
Yeah. On the straightaway, the tire just goes boop.
Linkage broke.
It looks like either a ball cup let go or a screw fell out. So check this out. It didn't even break anything. It's just the on the Mugen, these ball ends are actually kind of two-piece, so the thread screws into the ball versus the ball stud having a screw on it, where you would normally be one piece that goes into the arm. It's two-piece, so the ball thread side, and then this is a screw on the steering knuckle. Nothing's broken. It just actually vibrated itself out or pulled through the threads or something. I got to put it together and make sure it'll hold. But that's all that went wrong. That's how I went from 2nd to 5th. Landed 5th overall in the C main and touring stock. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe and want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.